Building a lasting passive income stream isn't just a fantasy, it's a tangible goal that requires strategic planning and consistent effort. Passive income can provide financial stability and freedom, but creating sustainable streams takes time, patience, and the right approach. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you create passive income that lasts. Step 1. Identify your strengths and interests. The best passive income ideas align with your skills, interests, and resources. Your expertise. Can you monetize your knowledge? Your passions. Will the income stream keep you motivated? Your resources. What assets or capital can you leverage? Choosing a stream that resonates with you will ensure long-term commitment and growth. Step 2. Choose the right passive income model. Not all passive income streams are created equal. Here are some popular options to consider. Real estate. Invest in rental properties, REITs, real estate investment trusts, or short-term rentals like Airbnb. Investments. Generate income through dividend-paying stocks, bonds, or index funds. Digital products. Sell ebooks, online courses, or stock photography. Affiliate marketing. Earn commissions by promoting products or services online. Royalties. Create intellectual property like books, music, or patents. Evaluate the upfront effort, costs, and potential returns to pick a model that suits your lifestyle and goals. Step 3. Start small, scale strategically. Every successful passive income stream starts with an initial investment, whether it's time, money, or effort. Begin with a manageable project or investment. Consistent contributions, like reinvesting earnings. Setting realistic expectations for growth over time. Scaling up gradually ensures sustainability and prevents burnout. Step 4. Automate and delegate. Automation is key to keeping your income truly passive. Tools like scheduling apps, investment platforms, and e-commerce automation can minimize daily management. When possible, hire virtual assistants or property managers. Use software for email marketing or inventory tracking. Outsource technical tasks like website maintenance. Efficient delegation allows you to focus on growth instead of operations. Step 5. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single income source is risky. Build resilience by diversifying. Combine multiple passive streams, such as real estate and dividends. Explore different niches or industries. Avoid overdependence on volatile markets, like cryptocurrency. Diversification spreads risk and creates a more stable financial foundation. Step 6. Reinforce sustainability. To ensure your passive income stream lasts, continuously reinvest profits into growth. Stay updated on market trends and adapt accordingly. Maintain quality in your products, services, or assets. Sustainability comes from proactive management and consistent improvement. Step 7. Monitor and optimize performance. Passive income isn't a set-it-and-forget adventure. Income metrics. Is your revenue meeting expectations? Market conditions. Are there shifts affecting your stream? Expenses. Can you minimize costs to increase profit margins? Adjusting based on performance ensures long-term viability. Creating a passive income stream that lasts requires upfront effort and ongoing attention, but the rewards are well worth it. With the right plan, diversification, and adaptability, you can build a reliable income source that supports your financial goals and offers the freedom to live life on your terms. Start today, and watch your efforts pay off for years to come.